You can save up to 50,000 naira in 2 to 3 months by just learning these local skills of making kuli. Yes. This video is for homes, especially Nigerian homes that want to save themselves from unnecessary spending. Now you can make local kuli yourself and save over 50,000 naira you spend weekly or monthly. Kuli, also known as Kuli Alata, is a Nigerian snack made from peanuts, groundnuts. Kuli is used to take garri and also can be eaten alone. Being able to make kuli at home will save a lot of families from spending on this. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to make these peanuts. Stages: buying groundnuts. Step 2, half dry the groundnuts. 3, peel the groundnuts.
You can see it. You just want to peel it. Cover the corner, just small.
Four, add non-green pepper to the peeled groundnut. Add small salt and small onion. Clean them with engine. Pack them in a dry bowl. Boil water and pour small hot water to the grinded groundnuts. Stir and press with your hands and squeeze it out until the secret oil. Use foam to soak up the oil and put in a good bottle. The raw kuli in your preferred form can be rolling straight or small. Put the oil on fire and start to fry the raw kuli. With just 10,000 naira, you can make as many as possible kuli to last you for over 2 to 3 months depending on the number of your families. This video is for homes in Nigeria.